In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and media in Obsidian. This is a quick and reliable way to bring visuals, audio, and video right into your notes, so everything you need stays in one place. Start by opening your Obsidian vault. A vault is simply the folder that holds all your notes and files. Make sure you're in the vault where you want these images and media to live, since Obsidian keeps everything neatly organized inside that folder. Next, open the note where you want to add your content. You can navigate to it from the sidebar or your recent notes. With the note open in the editor, you're ready to bring in files from your computer. To add an image from your computer, drag and drop the image file directly into the note area. You can do this from your desktop or your file explorer. As soon as you drop it in, Obsidian will copy that file into your vault and automatically insert the embed right where your cursor was. You'll see the image appear inside the note, so you can continue writing around it. This works great with common formats like PNG, JPG, and GIF. If you prefer keeping things tidy, consider giving your files clear names before dragging them in, which helps you find them later and keeps your vault organized. To add audio or video, drag and drop the media file into the note the same way. Obsidian will embed it and display a small player with controls so you can play, pause, and seek without leaving your note. This is helpful for lectures, interviews, screen recordings, or any reference clip you want handy. Popular formats like MP3 and WAV for audio and MP4 or movie for video generally work well. Keep in mind that large media files can take up space, so it's a good practice to store only what you need in the vault you use most often. After you drop an image, audio, or video, the file lives inside your vault. If you ever move or rename that file outside of Obsidian, the embed might break, so it's best to manage vault files from within Obsidian. You'll notice the content sits right alongside your writing, which makes it easy to annotate, summarize, or reference media without switching apps. And that's all there is to it. Open your vault, open your note, and drag and drop your images, audio, or video into place. That's how you add images and media in Obsidian. Subscribe for more quick tips.